Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is glowy, sexy, juicy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, protected by my ancestors, divinely protected, doing what needs to be done. Yes, the vibes. We are getting ready. I am getting ready. Let's get into my outfit quickly. I am wearing this tank top. I cannot remember the name of this brand for the life of me. I've had it for years. And I'm wearing this try and trusted denim pants from Bershka. I love this so freaking much. I have other denim pants that are more expensive than this, but I just gravitate towards this all the freaking time. Okay, it is not about the price. It is about the fit and the cut and how you feel when you wear your outfit. You know what I mean? We are doing sneakers today. I feel like wearing sneakers. I wear things I like and when I want to wear them. Yes. These sneakers from McQueen, Alexander McQueen. I know they are not exactly the same color of denim, but it works for me. So is this denim from Hollister. I've had this for years. I bought this when Hollister first opened in Manchester Andale. That's how long I've had this. And I totally forgot I have this jacket until recently. So weird. It is stretchy, giving all the vibes. These two bracelets and my wristwatch from Tissot. Bow the Afrique by Byredo and Black Juniper by Labolorio Lido. This is empty. I just did not realize this. I need to get on the fragrance. I decided to get another perfume from Labolorio Lido, so it's going to be Verbena. Sunglasses from Lispex. This bag from Off-White. That is the sunglasses. It is giving indoor-outdoor vibes and the lens is blue. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, make sure to like and share. Follow me on all my social channels. My website is my own kindofrunway.com. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one. Yes.